Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa inyo lahat mga kabayan. And for today's video, pag-uusapan nga natin kung paano mag-register dito sa bagong programa ng Amazon, which is the Amazon Influencer Program. So kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tapos i-hit mo na rin yung notification bell para mas lalo kang matuto kung paano mag-Amazon selling and mag-affiliate marketing. So alam ko medyo excited kayo ngayon because ito yung first video ko with regards or patungkol po sa affiliate marketing. So this is also common sa ibang lugar because they are also doing it for a long time. First time na mangyayari yung affiliate marketing wherein ginagawa na rin ng iba pero they call it yung Amazon Associates, but this time they call it the Amazon Influencers. So para masimulan po natin yung pagre-register, we need to go to Google and type Amazon Influencers UAE. And makikita nyo nga dito sa screen ko, I will be showing you guys kung paano mag-register step by step. Then I will explain one by one kung ano yung mga kailangan nyo para makaproceed po kayo doon sa registration. So first thing nga guys dito, pumasok ako dito sa link nila. It's called the affiliate-program.amazon.ae. Then once I click the sign in or sign up na button, ay meron ditong lalabas na account, or if you have an existing account dito sa Amazon Marketplace, you can use that and you can check if you are eligible. When you say eligible, pasado ka ba doon sa requirements ni Amazon? So, you can choose from different platforms na makikita nyo dito sa screen. We have the Instagram. If you have more than 5,000 to 10,000 followers, you can check if you are eligible. Sa YouTube naman, you can also check if you are eligible. If meron po kayong subscriber from 1,000 to 5,000, I guess, or maybe more than 5,000, automatic yan, you are eligible. And dito naman sa TikTok, if you have 10,000 followers pataas, automatic din po yan, you will be eligible and you can create your own storefront dito sa Amazon. And dito naman sa Facebook, you can also try if you are eligible. So there are 4 options na wherein you can try if you are eligible or not. So kung nag-failed po kayo dito sa Instagram, medyo mababa yung followers nyo, you can jump to another platform like YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. So I tried yung Instagram, pero unfortunately hindi ako din approve. So lumipat ako ng Facebook. Yung pangalawang try ko, doon ako na-approve. And yun, nilagin ko lang yung account ko. And makikita nyo dito mamaya, you will see yung congratulation page na kung saan I am eligible and I can start creating my storefront, modifying my storefront, and posting contents wherein I can link those contents with my products or other products na kung saan pwede po akong kumuha ng commission. So, para po sa mga tao na ayaw po magbenta sa Amazon, and if you want to create contents, kung mahilig talaga, passion nyo mag-create ng content, and itong Amazon Influencers Program is para po sa inyo. So, ayan, let's try to log in. No, papakita ko sa inyo, but I will blur some information para po maprotektahan po yung privacy ko. Ayan, let's click yung Facebook. Just click login with Facebook. Ayan, nakalagin na po ako using my Facebook, my personal Facebook account. And then, I will just click continue para po pumili siya ng page. If you have multiple pages, if you have multiple Facebook pages, you can choose from that. Tapos, tingnan nyo po kung alin dun yung eligible. So, make sure you have more than 5,000 to 10,000 followers para po maging eligible kayo. Ayan, so, napasok ko na nga yung account ko. And, I will just click continue or log in. Okay, just click got it. Tapos, hintayin nyo lang siya mag-load. Then, ayan, makikita nyo po dyan yung result that says, great, you are eligible for the program. So, sobrang bilis lang po siya ma-judge ni Amazon if you are eligible or not. Pero, pag nag-apply po kayo for eligibility, tapos hindi po kayo na approve or you're not eligible enough, you can try yung different social media platform. Pwede nyo po siyang ulitin tapos reapply po ulit kayo para po makita nyo na eligible yung account ninyo. So again, here ang ginawa ko po is nilogin ko lang yung Amazon shopping account ko or yung selling account. And then number 2, pagka login ko po dito, I went to Amazon Influencers website, which is affiliate-program.amazon.ae. Makikita nyo din po sa comment section yung link. Pwede nyo po siyang i-click dyan. And then, pipili po kayo ng platform kung alin po doon eligible kayo. Then right after that, just log in your account. If you forgot your password, pwede nyo siyang i-forgot password. And then, try to log in hanggang sa makita nyo na po yung ganitong message, which is great, you are eligible for the program. Then right after that, you can now put your profile photo na makikita nyo dyan. Ayan. So, maglalagay po ako ng picture para po makita nila na ako yung nagpo-promote talaga. So, dito malalaman kaagad ng mga followers ko kung sino yung nagbebenta or kung sino yung nagpo-promote ng product. And, syempre, for legitimacy or syempre for background check, no, makikita nila yung mukha ko. So, dito mag-upload po ako ng picture. Ayan, upload po natin yung picture. Ayan, so click natin yung upload. Tapos, download ko lang and upload yung mukha ko. Ayan. Then, right after that, yan, center lang natin ng konti. Then, you can now click save. And then, syempre, wag nyo kakalimutan yung pangalan nyo. You can put any name. You can put your stage name. You can put your store name or whatsoever. And don't forget to put your bio para po maging credible po kayo pagdating po sa mga followers nyo. So ako maglalagay lang ako dito ng short bio. And in the future, I can also edit. No worries. Pwede siyang palitan. Pwede siyang dagdagan later on in the future. Then, pagkatapos yan, you can now click next if satisfied ka na dito sa bio mo. Then, right after that, i-blur ko lang kasi makikita dito yung address ko tsaka yung number ko. So, pipili po kayo dyan ng address kung saan po marireceive yung earnings nyo. So, I will be choosing my address coming from UAE. So, ayan, pipiliin ko yung pangalan ko with my address. And accept lang po natin yung terms and condition or yung policies ni Amazon. Just click I understand and accept operating agreement. My content is not primarily chuchu or whatsoever. Pwede nyong basahin para po maintindihan nyo kung ano po yung ni Amazon, ano po yung policy ni Amazon. So dito I'm trying to print pero since hindi siya printable, so I just click done. Then right after that, you can now check your storefront. Okay, so makikita nyo dyan, merong link na kung saan you can use that para sa storefront mo. So pag click mo yan, you will just see dito sa sa link na yan yung mukha nyo. Tapos sa baba, you can post your contents, no? Make sure yung mga content na yan is related on sa products na pinopromote ninyo. Let's say for example, you purchase something and you want to promote that, so you will do unboxing content para po makita ng mga followers niya, ay, ito pala yung pinopromote and ito yung ginagamit ng pina-follow ko na influencer. So, there you go guys. Sobrang simple lang yung pagre-register natin dito sa influencer program ni Amazon. So, all you have to do is to create your account dito sa Amazon Marketplace if wala pa po kayo. Or kung meron na kayong existing account dito sa Amazon Marketplace, sa selling account or shopping account, you can use that and apply for eligibility. And then, you can now create your storefront. Then, right after that, you can now start or begin creating multiple contents that promotes products. And I hope sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa video na to. And please, again guys, don't forget to subscribe dito sa channel natin para po sa mga susunod natin video with regards Amazon Affiliate Marketing. So yun lang guys, happy selling mga kabayan.